Okay, guys, we are on lesson 5, I think. Yes, lesson 5, divide the greater numbers, page 277. We'll use our way, guys, of guess and check. Guess and check. So I'll do an example for you. For example, if we have this division, for example, 22,500 divided by 75. 22,500 divided by 75. Greater numbers, okay? Now, first step, we make our long division. The dividend here, 22,500 divided by 75, okay? Now, as we did, guys, in the previous lessons, we need to, we need to um, place the value. We need to choose which number we can start. It's very important step. Now we start with 2 less than 75, 22 less than 75. I will take the three numbers, 225. It's bigger than 75, so I'll start with these three numbers together, 225. After I select the numbers which I need to start with, I will guess a number. If you multiply it with 75, you get this number or less. You get this number or less, not more. We know that. So we'll do the same steps, guys, of the previous lessons. So I will guess, for example, 4. 4 multiplied by 75. Now let's multiply to guess if I have 225, if I don't have, more or less. So I will deduct my solution here after I finish multiplication. So 4 multiply 5, it's 20. 4 multiply 7, it's 28 plus 2, 300. 300 is bigger than 225. 300 is bigger than 225. So what I'll do here, I won't choose the 4, I will go smaller. 3 by 75. Now 3 by 5 is 15. 3 by 7, 21 with 2, 22. So I have the exact number here, 225, 225. So I will take the 3, put it up, multiply 75, the answer 225, I put it here, and I make subtraction. 5 minus 5, 2, all of it will be 0. So 225 minus 225 is 0. Now the next step, guys, and please focus here, it's important. The next step, we bring a number down, this number, the 0, we bring it down here. Now I'll ask you a question. Give me a number. If you put it here, multiplied with 75, you got 0. A number multiplied by 75, you got 0. It is the 0. 0 multiply 75, 0. Subtract 0. So I'm done with the first 0. It's still the second 0. Put it down here. I'll do the same because I have two zeros, right? I did the first one. Now I'll do the second one. Give me a number. If you multiply it with 75, you got 0. Another 0. 0 multiply 75, 0. Subtract 0. See, we have a lot of zeros here. Do we need them? No, we don't need them. But I need to do these steps in my mind, mentally. You write it, it's okay. But if you don't put these two zeros, your answer will be incorrect. So after we divide, the answer here is 300 and the remainder is 0. So the answer is 300. Let's take another example. Let's take another example. For example, if I have this division, 46534 divided by 152. 4,000 or 40,000, sorry, 46,534, 46,534 divided by 152. Before I do this question, guys, I want to do another example here and focus with me, guys. Let's remember something. We did it before together, okay? Focus here, guys. Don't do anything. Just focus on the screen, please. If I have this division, remember when we divide on one digit, Now let's make division. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 multiply 3, 3. Subtract 0. Let's remember, guys. Now I did the subtraction 0. I will get the 1 down. Now this one, I brought it from the dividend. And this one, after I bring it down, here we have a number less than 3. What we put at this case, guys, remember we put 0, 0 in quotient. Remember that? 0 in quotient. After I put 0, I can grab the second number down. It will be 12. 12 divided on 3, 4. 4 multiply 3, 12. Subtract 0. Then I brought the 7 down. I'll bring the 7 down. Now, when I brought the 1 down alone, the 1 is less than 3, I put 0 in the quotient. But now I brought the 7. The 7 is bigger than 3. No need to put 0 in the quotient. Make division. Give me a number. If you multiply it by 3, you get 7 or less, 2. 2 by 3, 6. Subtract 1, remainder 1. So what we did here, guys, we put 0 in quotient. When we put 0 in quotient, after we subtract, if I bring a number down and I have a number here less than the divisor, we put 0 in quotient. We did that before. Now let's go back to our example here with bigger number. We call it greater numbers, okay? Let's make long division, and I'll put the dividend here, 46,534 divided by 152. And please focus with me, guys, please. Now let's select the numbers which we will start with. Let's select the number which we will start with. Now, the 4 less than 152. 46 less than 152. 465 bigger than 152. So I can start with 465. Now let's guess a number. Let's guess a number. I will start my guessing with 4. 4 multiply, I check. Don't put 4. Guess, check outside, then take your numbers here, okay? It's important. Now 4 multiply 152. Let's multiply normally. 4 by 2, 8. 4 by 5, 20. 4 by 1, 4 with 2, 10. Look here. Sorry, 4 by 2, 8. 4 by 5, 20. Sorry, 4 by 1, 4 with 2, 6. Now look here. 608, but I want 465. This number is bigger than 465. So the 4 is not valid here. I will go smaller to 3. 3, 152. Guess, check, then look here. Now 3 by 2, 6. 3 by 5, 15. 3 by 1, 3. With 1, 4. It's important. 3 by 2, 6. 3 by 5, 15. 3 by 1, 3. With 1, 4. What I have here, 456, 456, and 465. This number is smaller than this number, and the 4 gives bigger. So I need to choose what? 3. So I'll put 3 up. 3 multiply 152, 52. Do not do it. You did it here already. Just take the answer and put it here under the selection, the selected numbers. So we have 456, line and subtract. Now let's subtract normally. 5 minus 6, it cannot be. So what I will do, I'll bring 1 here. This will be 5 and this will be 15. As we did, guys, normal. Everything is normal. 15 minus 6 is 9. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Now, what's the next step? I'll draw, or I will grab, or bring this 3 down. Focus, guys. 3. Now, what I have here? 93. I bring a number down, and I have 93. And what I have here? 152. The 93 is smaller than 152. And this is 3, I brought it from the dividend. So this is what we call it. We put 0 in quotient, remember? As we did in the example there. So here, after I subtract, I have 9. I bring the 3 down, I have a smaller number. If I did that, if you do that and you have a smaller number, after you bring a number from the dividend, you put 0 in quotient directly. Then you bring the 4 down to make it bigger. Don't bring the 3 and the 4 together. No, don't do that. Again, you brought the 3 down. ما ظبطش the 4. No, put 0, then bring the 4 down. Don't bring two numbers together. Again, do not bring two numbers together from the dividend. You bring one number by one number down. You bring a number, less, 0 in quotient. Equal or more, do division normally. Normally. Now we have 934 divided by 152. Let's guess, check, then see. Now the 4 gives 608. Let's go more. Let's go for the 7, for example. 7 by 152. 7 by 2, 14. 7 by 5, 35. With 1, 36. 3, 6 down, 3 up. 7 by 1, 7. With a 3, 10. Look here, guys. 1064, and I want 934. This number is bigger than this number, so I'll go down from the 7. I'll go to 6 and check. 152. 6 by 2, 12. 6 by 5, 30. With 1, 31. 6 by 1, 6. With the 3, 9. Now look here. 912, 934. This number is less than this number, so I can take the 6. I 6. 6 by 152. Take this answer. 912. Put it here. And subtract. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 9 minus 9, 0. So what's the answer? We are done with the numbers. I brought the 3, I brought the 4, I'm done. So what's the answer? 306 with remainder 22. With remainder 22. So what we did here, guys, we do the normal division. Guessing, checking, putting our numbers up, everything is normal. But don't forget the idea of zeros and quotients. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. It's important. When I put 0 in quotient, after I subtract, I bring a number from the dividend. If I have a smaller number than the divisor, I put 0, then I bring the other number. It's easy idea, but it's important. Without this 0, guys, which we put, without this 0, the answer will be 36, right? If I didn't put the 0, the answer will be 36. The correct answer is 306, not 36. So if you don't put the 0 in quotient, your answer will be so much wrong. Now, else, everything is normal. Everything is normal. Everything like what we did in the previous lessons, but with a little bit bigger numbers, that's all. Now, if you have questions, put your hands. If you have questions, put your hands. If you don't have questions, remove your hands. لا تقول نسيت. If you have questions, put your hand. Jalal.
Hello, Mr. Ismani.
Yes, Samak, Mr.
Why we put the 0? Hello?
Yes, Mr. I'm with you. I'm thinking about your question.
Why we put the 0? Why?
Right. Now I have before the 4, right?
Yeah, we have 93.
We are like this, right?
Wait a moment, Mr. Wait.
Look
Yeah.
here. Give me a number. If you multiply it with 152, you got 93 or less. If you put 1.
There is no.
La, there is. There is.
0 only.
Only 0.
Yeah.
Right? 0 multiply 152. It comes what?
0.
Subtract.
93.
Get the 4 down.
934.
So I put 0 in quotient. Without doing this step, it's still the same, right?
يعني I must do the step or I cannot do
No,
it.
no need to do it. That's why we put the 0, because the number will still the same. I bring the 4 down directly. No need to make -0, then get the number. No need. That's why. Got it?
طب إذا الرقم أكبر؟
It won't be where 93.
93 if it be 300.
We do division normally. No need to put 0 in quotient.
تقص number يعني؟
Yes, guess a number. Do it normally. Now here, 934, it's bigger, right?
Yeah.
We put 0 or we do guessing and checking.
Guessing and checking.
That's all.
بس.
بس.
شكرا.
طب Adam. Remove your hand, Jalal.
Mister, I don't understand.
You don't understand what, يا mister? It's division.
There is لا ما فهمت ذا الديفيجن بطريقة شوي غير يعني.
Mister, speak in English and tell me exactly what you did not understand. Huh?
I don't understand the lesson.
طيب, how we do division يا
Division
mister?
بس
Okay,
ما
خلاص.
قادر أفهمه.
يا mister, خلاص. You don't know how to do division at all, right?
No, I know how to do division, but I don't understand.
We did normal
I don't
division. Look
understand
here.
the 200.
Where? Here?
No. Yeah, the division for 400 and 200, 2000, 4000, like this, 40,000.
Mister. You said you don't understand the lesson, right? Yes? Hello? وين راح؟ Mr. Adam. Adam? Talk يا Adam. Adam has been gone. I don't know why. Okay, guys, let's do exercises. Adam, if you hear me, you come back, okay? To do a question together. Now let's go to the exercises, guys. We are on page 279. Let's do some exercises there. Question 2. Question 2. We are on page 279. Question 2. All of you, please. Question 2, we have 91,988 divided by 51. $91,988 divided by 51. Yalla. Who will help me here? Adam, are you here يا Adam? وين راح هذا الشاب؟ طيب Adam, he's gone. Okay. طيب عبد الله.
Yes, mister.
يلا يا عبد الله. What I will do here يا عبد الله?
First, we will do 91 divided by 51.
Good. 91 because it's bigger. We'll do 91 divided by 51. Huh?
Try one.
Try one. Because 2 by 51 gives
Equals
102.
2, yeah.
Bigger than 91. So I'll try 1. High 1.
Yeah.
1 by 51.
51.
Subtract.
1 minus 1, 0.
أيوة.
9 minus 5, 4.
Good. Then
40 divided by 51 we can't,
لا.
so
لا يا حبيب. No, this is, we don't divide this. This is remainder after the subtraction.
okay.
No, we don't divide this, mister.
We will
We
put
don't divide this.
We will
Okay,
put
this number should be, يا حبيبي افهم الله يسعدك. After we subtract thousands of times, we said, we guess, we check. This number should be less than this number, which means the one is correct.
Yeah, correct one.
Now, we don't say 40 divided by 51, no. We grab the 9 down, then we
Yeah.
say that. Got it?
Got it.
Yeah. 409 divided by 51, what I will do?
Try 4.
Try 4, ماشي. 4 by 51. 4 by 1, 4, 4 by 5, 20. 204, 409.
Try 7.
Up 7 by 51. 7, 35. 357, 409.
8.
Try 8. 8 by 51. 8, 40.
Yeah.
408, 409. 357, 409, 204, 409. What I will select?
8.
The 8 is the most closer one. So the 8 here. 8 by 51 is 408. So I'll put 408.
So you
Subtract.
1.
1. Now, focus and tell me what I will do.
So 1 less than 51. Now it's correct.
8 is correct. So,
We will grab 8 down.
1 8 from the 2 8s. We have 2 8s. I will grab
Yeah.
the first one down.
Yeah.
I grab the 8 down, huh?
18 divided by 51 we can't, so we'll put 0 up.
Aywa. After I bring the 8 down, we have 18. 18
Yeah.
less than 51. At this case, what we put?
0.
Then
We will put 8 down.
the other 8 down. It will be
188 divided by 51.
yes.
Try 3.
3. 3 by 100. 3 by 51. 315. 153. 188.
So 4.
4 by 51. 4 20.
And,
204. 188.
So 3.
3. 3 by 51. 153.
Yeah.
Subtract 8 minus
8.
3.
5.
5.
3.
3. 1 minus
And
1.
0.
We finish.
Yes.
So
1803. Remainder 35.
Mumtaz. Excellent boy. Thank you. This is question 2, guys. Copy it. Question 2, guys. Copy it, please. Now let's go to question 3. Question 3. We have in question 3 14,637. 14,637 divided by 17. Divided by 17. Yeah. Adam, you come back. Adam, you have something wrong with your mic or whatever. Okay, so try to fix it so I can explain the idea for you. Okay, Omar Quaider.
Yes, Mr.
يلا Omar, quickly because we are running out of time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
17, 1 is less than 17, so we will choose 14. 14 also is less, so we will choose 146.
Good.
Hi, Mr.
Try.
Wait بالله يا عمر. عمر wait. Who's with me guys? Adam?
Adam. Yes.
Wait يا Adam. Adam wait. Stay unmuted and wait, okay?
Okay.
يلا يا عمر continue.
Yeah.
عمر.
Try 7.
7 by 17. 7 by 7, 49. 7 by 1, 7 with 4, 11. 119, 146. Quickly, Omar.
Try 8.
8. 8 by 17, 8 by 7, 56. 8 by 1, 8 with 5, 13. 136, 146.
Let's
It's 8
try
because 9 will give bigger number, right?
Right.
Yeah, so I'll
So-
choose 8. 8 by 17 is 136.
Is 136. 6 minus 6, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 minus 1, 0.
Now,
We put the 3 down.
hide 3 down. What we have?
Then 103 divided by 11. 17.
Do we need to put 0 here, yeah, mister?
Yeah. No. It's
Yes or
bigger,
no?
not smaller. No.
Not smaller
It's bigger.
because after I brought the 3 down, this number bigger than 17. No need to put 0, right?
Right.
Yalla, 103 divided by 17. Use your numbers here. 7 gives
Let's try.
119. The 7 gives 119.
8. It's the exact. No.
Mister,
Let's
ركز.
try 6.
6 because 7 gives bigger number. Guess 6. 6 by 17, 6 by 7, 42. 6 by 1, 6 with 4, 10. 102, 103.
It's 20. So we will put 6.
6 by 17, 102. Subtract 1. Then
1. We grab the 7 down.
7.
We put 1, 17 minus 0.
1. Mumtaz. Thank you. Copy, guys. Question 3, please. This is question 3. Copy it. Thank you, Omar. Adam, are you here, يا Adam? يا أخي وبعدين مع هذا وين راح؟ He's gone. See? It's weird. طيب. كنان.
Yes, Mr.
يلا يا كنان. Question 4 على السريع.
Question 4 is 15,540. 89 divided by 64.
ولا فاهم عليك إشي. Read the numbers well.
15,489
أيوة.
divided by 64.
يلا.
1 is less than 64, so we see the 15, and 15 is also less, so we use the 4. 154 divided by 64. Try
Good.
2. It is the closest actually, because if we add another 64, it will be more.
So
We use 2. 100.
So because it 3 will give bigger, so I will put 2. 3 by 6, sorry, 2. 2 by 64, 128. Subtract.
8 minus 4 minus 8 we can't, so we take 1 from the 5. The 4 will be 14. 14 minus 8 equals 6. 4 minus 2 equals 2. And we put the 8 down. And we use a try 3. Okay, you try 4. It is the closest. So we use 4. 256 minus equal 12. We put the 9 down. And also 2. Mr. 2.
Asif.
100.
2. 3 gives bigger.
Remainder 1. 1.
So the remainder is 1.
42, remainder 1.
Excellent boy, thank you. Excellent boy, thank you. This is a question 4, guys. Guys, I want you today to do this page, and tomorrow we will do the homework together. So do not do the homework, but to practice on the other questions here, guys. And if you have any problem with any question here, tomorrow you can tell me, but you need to divide the other questions, okay? Now, copy question 3 and 4, please, and we are done. Copy, guys, copy. That's all, guys, for today. Inshallah, tomorrow we'll continue in the same idea. Thank you so much. Kenan, you can stop.